So students, we had discussed about the digestive systems in humans. Those having mouth for ingesting the foods and different digestive organs. But there are many small organisms having no fixed mouth and no digestive systems. So, is a tiny animals. I will take one example here. That name is amoeba. Amoeba does not having any fixed shape, and amoeba does not have proper mouth for ingesting foods, and different types of digestive organs also does not having. So we will discuss about the amoeba. So amoeba is just organism how is taking foods, ingested food and digest it. So first of all we should know about the body structure of amoeba. You will see here amoeba is a microscopic very tiny animals which consists of a single cell, and it is simplest animal. Amoeba is a very tiny small animals, microscopic animals. We cannot see it with naked eyes, and amoeba is a very simple animals. Amoeba is so small that it can hardly be seen with naked eye. Otherwise I will not see. I cannot see is the naked eye. So amoeba live in a pond of water. Pond water also, always amoeba live in pond water. And amoeba's body structures, amoeba has a cell membrane. This dot line is known as the cell membrane. And around the bodies, this is known as cell membrane, and in the cell membrane having nucleus, around this nucleus, this is a nucleus, around the nucleus, dense nucleus having the cytoplasm. Amoeba has a cell membrane around the dense nucleus and many small bubbles, vacuoles. Bubbles like it is known as the cytoplasm. This is known as cytoplasm. This is the cell membrane. This is the nucleus. And the vacuoles, here I will tell you about the vacuoles. The vacuoles in amoeba are of the two types. First, food vacuoles and contractile vacuoles. Amoeba having two types of vacuoles, food vacuoles and contractile vacuoles. So amoeba having a false feet. When amoeba having a two projectile angles, this is known as the pseudopodia. So this pseudopodia take out from their bodies when it want to take or ingested the foods. This is known as the pseudopodia and is known as the false feet. So amoeba also use its pseudopodia to catch food particles from the surroundings. As any food particles reaches surrounding the amoeba, then amoebas existed their pseudopodia for catching the foods and ingested them. Amoeba's body structure is always shaped. Amoeba does not having fish shape. Amoeba's body structure, shape, size always continuously changing. Why? Because the cytoplasm move in any directions where it want. Their cytoplasm under the cell membranes, wherever it want, move in any direction, it want to move cytoplasm in any direction. So our topic is feeding by amoeba and digestion in amoeba. How is feeding by amoeba? So after the amoeba, it is the introduction and structure, body structure of the amoeba. After this, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba take in food or ingested food by using pseudopodia. Clearly, amoeba taking food in their body by using pseudopodia. This shape of the pseudopodia, this shape of the pseudopodia, this shape of the pseudopodia means wherever you want, pseudopodia can be existed from their bodies for catching the food. When food particles comes near amoeba, then the amoeba produces two pseudopodia like this, one and this. When food particles comes around the amoeba, then amoeba produces two pseudopodia for catches the food, and food particles and surround it. So the two pseudopodias then join around. These two pseudopodias join around, and as food particles comes near the amoeba, then these two pseudopodias existing from the body and join around. After joining, that food particles comes in the body of the amoeba. So the food vacuoles like a temporary stomach. These food vacuoles, these food vacuoles is known as a temporary stomach, not permanent stomach. Then this food vacuoles is like a temporary stomach of amoeba. The food is digested in its food vacuoles. Anybody can be asked, in which part food digests in the amoeba? So in amoeba, food digests in the food vacuole. So this is the digestive system. Similarity between nutrients in amoeba and human beings is that both the cases digestive juices breaks down the complex food particles into food vacuoles or into stomachs, wherever. So these are the similarity between the amoeba and human digestive systems. But what is the difference between the amoeba and human digestive system? The difference is that amoeba has no mouth and digestive organs, whereas human beings has mouth for feeding foods and digestive systems made up of many organs. These are the similarity and difference between the amoeba and human beings. Human beings having mouth for feeding food, ingesting foods and different digestive organs, and amoeba does not having mouth and for digesting organs. These are the difference between the amoeba and human digestive system. So today our topic is amoeba, and it is the last topic of this chapter. Today I have completed my second chapter of science, and I have finished. Okay, thank you.